Welcome back to Love and Lust Lessons, where we unpack the secrets of connection, chemistry, and creating a love that lingers long after the moment ends. Today's lesson is for the man who wants to leave an unforgettable imprint on a woman's heart and mind. Not just temporary attention, not a quick thrill, but something deeper, something that makes her miss you when you're not around, think about you at night, feel your absence in her bones. If you want to know how to truly make a woman miss you, emotionally, physically, and psychologically, you're in the right place. Let's get into the psychology behind it and the moves that really work. Red Heart 1, be present, then mysteriously absent. This is where it all begins. If you want a woman to miss you, she first has to feel your presence, and then suddenly notice when it's gone. Most men do one or the other. They're too available, and she takes them for granted. Or they disappear too soon, and she never feels anything real to begin with. Lightbulb the trick? Create peak emotional moments with her, then disappear just enough to let her replay those moments in her mind. Be fully engaged when you're together. Make her laugh, connect, listen, touch, make her feel seen. Then step back and let your absence amplify your presence. Mobile phone 2. Don't be always available. Scarcity creates value. We crave what we can't easily have. If you're constantly texting, calling, replying within seconds, it kills the mystery. She doesn't have time to miss you because she never feels your absence. When you delay your replies occasionally, when you let her wonder where you are and what you're up to, she starts to lean in emotionally. Now, this isn't about playing childish games. It's about emotional pacing. Her subconscious starts asking, why hasn't he called? Is he thinking about me? What is he doing right now? And that, right there, is where the missing begins. Speech balloon 3. Say less, mean more. Men who talk too much or constantly seek validation become forgettable. But men who choose their words carefully, who say meaningful things and leave a little mystery, become addictive. Use emotionally loaded language in small doses. I've never met someone who looks at life the way you do. There's something about you I can't quite explain. Then pull back. Let her feel the space your words leave behind. This creates an emotional echo, something she replays in her mind over and over again. Remember, women miss how you made them feel, not just what you did or said. Brain 4. Build emotional anchors she'll relive. You want to create emotional triggers that tie back to you. Sights, sounds, scents, and feelings that make her think of you without you even being there. Examples. You always wear a specific cologne. Later, she smells it somewhere else, and bam, you're in her head. You introduce her to a certain song, and it becomes your song. She hears it days later and misses you. You do something unique and thoughtful, like writing her a note, drawing a symbol on her wrist, or whispering something playful only the two of you understand. These become emotional anchors, and every time life pulls on them, she feels a tug toward you. Man walking 5. Walk away while it's still good. One of the hardest, yet most powerful moves. Leave while things are still amazing. Whether it's a date, a phone call, or a text exchange, in the interaction when she still wants more. Why? Because desire lives in the gap between satisfaction and craving. End the date on a high note. Say goodbye with a kiss that lingers. Stop texting before the conversation fizzles out. Leave her wondering, what would have happened if we kept going? That curiosity, it creates longing. Detective 6. Have a life that doesn't revolve around her. Nothing makes a woman miss you more than seeing that you're living life confidently and completely, without needing her attention 24/7. Women are drawn to men who have passions, goals, friends, purpose. When you're not texting her because you're in the gym, leading a meeting, or out hiking with friends, it sends a powerful message. I like you, but I'm not waiting around for you. That quiet confidence, unforgettable. She'll miss you not because you're gone, but because you're centered in your own life. And that's magnetic. Thermometer 7. Flirt without needing anything back. Here's the secret sauce. Flirt, give, and connect without attachment. When you compliment her, look into her eyes or tease her a little, and you don't need anything in return. She feels safe, she feels surprised, and she feels curious. Your confidence, the kind that says, I enjoy you, but I don't need to own you, is intoxicating. She'll walk away thinking about you, replaying your smirk, your words, your vibe, and that lingering desire will only grow. So let's recap. If you want to make a woman miss you deeply, remember, be fully present, then mysteriously absent. Don't be constantly available. Let her wonder. Say less, but make it count. Create emotional anchors she can't forget. Walk away while the moment still sparkles. Live a life so rich she wants to be part of it. Flirt with confidence, but never neediness. And here's the golden rule. Light bulb, it's not about making her miss you. It's about being a man so unforgettable, she misses how she felt around you. When you lead with presence, purpose, and a touch of mystery, she won't just miss you, she'll crave you. Speech balloon, drop a comment below. What's the one thing someone did that made you miss them deeply? If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a love and lust lesson again. Until next time, be rare, be magnetic, and let them miss what they can't quite explain.